is TBOT, but you can call me Shaba Shaba. I will be your tour guide for today, and I will walk you around the floor talking about T-Hub, its programs, verticals, and the team. This is the cabin of Mahakali Srinivas Rao, also known as MSR. He leads the global delivery and operations of all the programs and initiatives before T-Hub. MSR served as CEO of GAIN, Global Alliance from earlier. MSR is a native of Telangana and currently lives in You may grab some refreshments from the vending machine. If you wish to skip, please click on the exit option on my screen. Follow this way to the exit passage, please. With this, our tour has come to an end, and I hope you have liked this autonomous tour and information about T-Hub and its programs. Thank you so much for visiting T-Hub. Have a great day ahead.
We've tried it all. I mean, we've tried WebEx, we've tried, Skype, you name it. We've tried it within our group. And it all works pretty well, and you still have that interaction, the face-to-face. When we got the double in, it was a different experience.
AF Group is one of the largest workers' compensation insurance companies in the country. So we have branches all over the country, as well as people working remotely. I myself work remotely right now out of Maryland.
We are doing a project right now that we call Digital Transformation. We have about 9 Scrum teams, and they are located anywhere from California to New York to China. So as you can imagine, travel costs are high, and we need to see faces, we need to see reaction. And so we use our double to help us gain some of that on-site experience without having to pay for the travel costs.
We're using the robot primarily in meetings. We find it advantageous to be able to go around, talk to individuals, be able to pan and see individuals in the room.
Having that face-to-face interaction, allowing them control of where they need to be in the meeting space, who they need to be talking to, it puts them in the room, and that's what you need sometimes.
If you look at the cost of somebody flying out and comparing that to the cost of the robot, it's paid for itself over at least 20 or 30 times. And for me, working remotely, 600 miles away, it's really the only way that I can, go up and meet with individuals within the company without having to fly here.
So the beauty of double is that the cost of one of him is probably 1, maybe 2 trips. And if you figure we have almost 90 people on our project, and if they were all flying in, we would be well surpassing that.
It's really helped us save quite a bit of money in travel costs. Within 9 months of use, we save between $20,000 to $30,000 just in travel costs.
This is the thing about the world today. It's much smaller. You hear about the work environment being, clock in, your hourly, track your time, and today it's be available 24/7 and get the work done. Guess what? I can do that from anywhere. I think any company that plans on hiring the best people, no matter where they're located, Double helps you have the best, most quality product no matter what size you are.
Prospero.